everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by, and those who are watching this for the first time, please remember to hit that subscribe button and remember to turn on your post notifications so that you're always notified when there's a new video coming in. My name is Ruth Kwamby, and today I want to show you how to make tamarind rice. Yes, it's very delicious, so come with me. So these are the ingredients for our tamarind rice. First, you need to have your cooked rice. This is 1 cup cooked rice. You need to have your, this is lemon with tamarind, that is tamarind soaked in lemon. I have my 1 tablespoon of peanut. I have turmeric. I have 1 tablespoon of black gram. This one is black gram. I have also another tablespoon of Bengal gram, that is dal. Actually, I have all of them here mixed together. And then I have my curry leaves. I have red chilies. I have green chilies. You also need mustard seed. Of course, you need salt. And you need cooking oil. So we have our 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once it's ready, I add my 1 tablespoon of peanuts. And then I will add my dal to the peanuts. Soy salt. And then to this I'm going to add my slit green chilies and salt. And then I'm going to add my mustard seed, and salt the ingredients. Wow, the aroma is nice. So once I do that, then I add my red chilies. So you salt this a bit. Once this is ready, you add your curry leaves. I'm going to add the juice of tamarind soaked in lemon. I used half a lemon and soaked some few tamarind there. Salt this for a while. Then I'm going to have 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Then I need to add salt, some bit of salt. So once this is ready, So once I'm done mixing, this is our tamarind rice. Yes, and this is the final product of our tamarind rice. Let me test it. It's actually spicy. If you're not a chili person, you can reduce the quantity of chili that you put here, but otherwise it's very nice and very tasty rice. Very nice, very tasty, that you can serve with say some potato gravy. It's actually sourish, so you need some nice gravy to serve with it. So please let me know what you think about it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it, and please remember to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.